just thought I'd go ahead and maybe talk a little bit about my personal routine with my sister locks. Of course, it's changed over the years and evolved, um, but um, but my routine is very simple, and that is because one of the reasons why I decided to get Sister Locks in the first place is because um, I wanted something as low maintenance as possible. I obviously wanted to have natural hair, but I didn't want to continue to deal with the detangling and all of that and having to put product on it. And so my main purpose for getting Sister Locks is because I thought, wow, I can actually throw all these products away and still have beautiful hair and not have to worry so much about maintenance. So that is for me, my why I decided to get Sister Locks. So um, it would be crazy of me to get Sister Locks and then buy a whole bunch of products to maintain my locks. So my routine is very simple. Um, I I self retighten, so I retighten my hair maybe every 5 to 6 weeks, and that just kind of depends on my schedule. And I give myself a whole week to do it. I don't try to do it all in one day. I'll do a couple hours here, a few hours there, until it's done. And so as long as I have it done within a week, I feel good about myself. So I do that, and in between retightenings, I wash my hair maybe 2 to 3 times. And I used to wash it more often than that, but I stopped doing that because I felt like it was just a lot of wear and tear on my hair that wasn't necessary. So when I wash my hair, this is what I use: the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. Of course, I need to get some more. But this has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar in it. And when I use it, I concentrate on my scalp mostly. And one of these days, I'll get in the shower and kind of show you how I do it. Um, Now, do I braid and band? Not always. I stopped braiding and banding for the most part after I was about a year and a half locked because I felt like my locks were mature enough. Just recently, I started to do it again just because, like I said in some of the previous videos, I had some slippage in my locks. And so I wanted to make sure that when I wash them, I'm not doing any damage. So I went ahead and started braiding and banding again. But really, I don't do it if if I don't feel the need to. So um, it's just more maintenance for me, and I'm a low maintenance girl. See, I don't get my nails done. All I wear is eyeliner and mascara and maybe some lip gloss or lipstick. So the less maintenance, the better for me. So that's what I do. I wash with this, like I say, every couple of weeks. I do work out daily. So what I do in between washes to keep my scalp clean and smelling fresh is I made a spray bottle with filtered water, um, not apple cider vinegar. Gosh, what's that stuff called? Witch hazel, and a little bit of tea tree oil. And so, and I shake it up, and then I spray that just on my scalp when it's after I work out in the morning. Like if I know that I've had a really tough workout and my scalp may be sweaty or something, I'll spray that in, and that seems to work great. And that also works great for when you've just freshly retightened your hair and your scalp is itchy. You can spray some of that on your scalp, and it helps tremendously with the itching. So, and I guess as far as how much I put in, I would say um, mostly water, and then maybe depending on how big of a bottle you're putting it in, like I would put, like if this was going to be my spray bottle, I probably would put like that much of it, of witch hazel in it, and the rest would be water, and then of course a few droplets of the tea tree oil. So that is basically what I do in between washes. After I wash my hair, before it dries, you know, like I'll get I use t-shirts to dry my hair. I never dry with the towel because I don't want to risk getting lint in my locks. So I use old cut up t-shirts to dry my hair, and I'll put them on there, and get my hair really dry. And then once it's dry enough, I'll get oil, and it could be almond oil. I use sweet almond oil. That's my favorite. I used to use coconut oil, but I found out that coconut oil can cause buildup because, you know, it solidifies when it's colder. So I stopped using coconut oil. My other go-to, if I don't have any almond oil, would be the olive oil. So I'm sure there's a variety of different oils you can try. I've tried jojoba oil before too, and I like that. Um, so it's just up to you, whatever works for your hair. But I found that the sweet almond oil works best for my hair, and I'll use that. And I'll put that all over my hair while my locks are damp, and that's it. I don't use any other products or anything like that. For my edges, I'll use Jamaican black castor oil. So I'll spritz a little bit of water on my edges, like if I want them to be laid down for whatever reason. And then I'll put the Jamaican black castor oil on there. And because it's got really thick properties, you know, it's like kind of thick, and it lays the hair down. And I just tie my little satin scarf on there for like 5 minutes, and it's done. So that's it. That's my whole routine. I don't use any other products. I probably should condition, but I'm just scared to condition because it just seems like it would just be another product that would build up in my locks. So if anyone has a conditioner that they've used on a regular basis and it doesn't have you know, you're not noticing any buildup in your locks, then, you know, let me know. But for me, I don't even want to chance it. I'm not even trying to go there. So that's it. And so if you have any questions, send me a comment, or if you have any suggestions of maybe a conditioner or something that I should try that's especially for locks, let me know. Anyways, I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy and well. Remember to stay in so that our first responders can be safe. And I hope that you guys, well, actually, I guess I'll see you guys really soon again, because like I said, I'm just going to be shooting out the videos until this coronavirus thing goes away. So talk to you soon.